Introduce short overview of XTAUTO Dual Dashcam, front and rear backup camera, 3-inch LCD, 1080p plus 720p, 150 degrees plus 120 degrees wide angle, dual dash camera for cars, dashcam, dashboard. Camera recorder with parking mode, support 32 GB maximum, included. If you want to get full features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You enter our here, what will you get? Most importantly, honest reviews from people who have already bought it and review rating. And because we are affiliated with Amazon, which if considered from the reliability, you will get acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews. Of course, all this helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Again, if you want to get full features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.